He spent his life haunting shadows in the dark, until one day the shadows decided to hunt him back. Gaurav Tiwari, the pilot who challenged the shadows. The story of Gaurav Tiwari didn't begin in a haunted house but in a vast open skies. He was a man of logic and high ambitions. He moved to the United States to become a commercial pilot, a profession defined by precision and science. But fate had a different script. During his stay in America, he experienced something in his apartment that science couldn't explain. Those cold whispers and moving shadows changed him forever. Instead of flying planes, he decided to fly into the heart of darkness. He left his glamorous career, returned to India, and traded his pilot's uniform for an EMF meter. In a country where ghosts were often dismissed as superstitions and handled by fake mystics, Gaurav Tiwari brought a revolution. He established the Indian Paranormal Society. He was the first to tell India that paranormal wasn't just about bhoot pret, but about energy and science. He used advanced technologies like thermal cameras and EVP recorders. Gaurav Tiwari was a pioneer who walked into the places where people were afraid to even look, from the eerie silence of the Bhanga fort to the tragic corridors of the Shaniwar Vada. He was always first to step into the dark. He investigated over 6,000 cases, seeking the truth behind the terror. But the constant exposure to the other side began to change Gaurav Tiwari. Paranormal investigation wasn't just a job for him, it was becoming a burden on his soul. He was started feeling a strange presence following him. He mentioned to his teammates and family that dark force was pulling at him. He was losing his peace, and the man who decoded mysteries for others was becoming a mystery himself. He was tired and even thought about leaving the field, but the curiosity that drove him was too strong to quit. The morning of July 7, 2016 was a normal day in the Tiwari household, but it ended as the most shocking day in the history of Indian paranormal research. Gaurav Tiwari went into his bathroom, minutes turned into an hour. When the door was finally broken down, the sight was horrific. Gaurav Tiwari was lying on the floor lifeless. The man who had spent his life investigating the dead was now one of them. The medical report said asphyxia. There was a mysterious black mark around the neck of Gaurav Tiwari, as if the invisible hands had tightened their grip. The police call it tragedy, but the followers of Gaurav Tiwari call it paranormal assassination. Today, the name Gaurav Tiwari is a legend. He died at the age of 31, but the path he created is still being walked by thousands. He proved that fear could be faced with a camera and rational thinking. Whether it was a medical condition or spectral attack, the truth died with him. Now only the recordings of Gaurav Tiwari remain static. Voices and flickering lights that remind us that Gaurav Tiwari was only brave enough to ask questions we are all afraid to hear. In the world of unknown, some doors are meant to be opened and some are meant to stay locked forever.